All wanna single are back. Now I'm going for the single ladies side. Yeah. Yes, me's a bully. Me be the blood clot bully. Anything me is me accept myself. Me's a fucking bully. Better me bully blood clot people more than people bully me. No, me no brush my teeth. My mouth stink and sour. Me no brush my teeth. My mouth stink and sour. Me too bad and powerful for doing. My personality, everything do it cannot manage me. And a couple people been telling him that and him did stand up say him can't do it. But him try. So I can't knock him. And me have to respect him. Me not cry. Me cry. And then I say my eye themselves. Me cry. Hey, me hear that, you know. I cry all day yesterday. I cry. I hold my husband, I beg him, me and him try over. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Me not cry now. When me get emotional, yeah, but we come to agreement say it end in it. So me not go hide and shut up. Me I go make you know what I go on. And then it will be more easier for me. I have to start from somewhere. I mean, me should have let the man. And I said the man get licked. The man not get no blood clot lick. Me not tell him, say, man grab me and throw me down at Jamaica already before we married or after we just blood clot married. That's what I'm doing now. I abuse the blood clot. Abuse a revenge. Me I take blood clot back on the... Where? Fuck what I mean by me a bully man. No. This was the banted pine for Dewey to throw in him back button. Whatever in him head me no know because he not explain himself. You hear that? And me alone I do all I expect. I mean married to myself, girl. And me saw the marriage I get nasty. Me did blood clot telling her when me I engaged, say if I have a day I'm married for. And it go 1 year and 4 months. So the fuck me I go kill up myself for. I feel a way, yes. But fuck that. At least me can move and not have to think about her husband. Anything me I do, me not have to think about her husband. Me do just me in it. Me and him is, yeah, we're not divorced. Everything take time, but we're not together because he doesn't want to be. Him say, this enough for me, this enough for me. Me not even know when name this. But since as it's so easy for you back out, me have to respect it, me can't force it. Remember when me the ball to the blood clot cow and take back the man and 6 months after the man tell me say I'm never happy. Me not embarrassed. Me more hurt or disappointed, but I'm not embarrassed. Me not have no blood clot shame. And when me go ball to the cow and the man and take back the same man. The man knows say he could have cope with me and him never happy. The man ball out say, Jay, me never happy none at all for the 5 years. And me just announce him here. I am fucking rude. You never see me come over this come behave like sainted. Accept people for who them is. Don't just want people good blood clot nice time. When you get good nice time with me and when me get nasty side, you don't want to say, oh, you're too rude. I am fucking rude. That's why I'm not up on my page because I'm a realness. I speak for a lot of people. You know how much girl in them blood clot house I get abused? So, you know much man beating and kicking every blood clot there. Me is one of the blood clot above. Me get so much in man blood clot beating in my life. So why if me return back the blood clot favor? Now come go like do it a saint. You think me can manage blood clot do if beat me with the maga self? Do we avoid that because him can't take the embarrassment out of the airport? So now come. That's not the point here. Who that man in my room? No, my husband? The man said, what me? Well, he never said that. He said, this is not for him. What is this? This screen is not for him. So I'm not in screen anymore. That's why. Good morning. Look here. Yesterday I checked my live. Remember I get black from when yesterday I checked my live and my live still black. And I lie down yesterday and say, no, before they are right, I do 1 minute video and I explain to them. I need to check if my live. I see that. Listen, nobody not tell me how to deal. Me not owe no. If me can't condole my blood clot if I expose in a public, that's what happened. Spill blood clot milk. All when I no right and say Queenie don't cause my load are awful and that's me. Any blood clot with me I go for 1 Grammy and somebody diss me. Me telling you all the while. If somebody this blood clot me I'm not the hypocrite where I go stifle myself because of public. Everybody in the public have problem. What the blood clot, me I go pretend and say, oh, me I secure airport over my feelings. Me not put my feelings over no blood clot body nor nothing at no time. You hear that? I am the fucking queen and me have to stand up for me. I'm the queen and the scene. Enough boy out there them want come between. Them say me mean. My pussy clean. That people out in the public. You no go and dictate to blood clot. Me is a bad blood clot bitch and me say crazy never lazy. No blood clot boy not take me for fool and me sit down and listen to no blood clot advice. Uno sit down and take blood. Mama, uno sit down and tell me the man no want me to leave here, you know. And all this time, you know. So now no one come tell me say me a bully. So I'm sit down and make man use me with my all blood clot self for young girl side trick. I line our blood clot tell her that is my ammunition. So when you not sit down, Queenie, I am in control of my relationship. Me's only blood clot human. Me nah use no shame face to impress the blood clot nation and the media with my love. Me bagga and terrible and blood clot awful. Me too real phone. You hear that? The real when my blood clot real and talk it as it blood clot is and say it as it is out of the airport. How the fuck me you come and plane? We plan for 2 weeks. We have Canada forgot. Me have a show for do the same night. And me and you join. And me and you make blood clot deal. So how comes now, when we for come back to England, you're going to say you know want to go and me and you for stay down there? Of course, me stress out. But me alright, man. Remember, me a positive woman. You know, see me pretty dead and me still there. Listen. As me say, not even a word of argument at Jamaica. Somebody set up me and him marriage. Me I tell you, because this no make no sense. So when him say, him no want to come up. I say, alright, I go try miss the flight. Or miss the flight, it's cheaper for we come up. Because if you go to the airport and miss the flight, you just pay 120 for do the ticket. You're not a celebrity. I am a celebrity. You're an idiot. So why you there on my line right now? No, because I'm famous and me don't mind you. Anyway. So, him not have no blood clot money for stay. Him put himself in, and my money I gonna make him down there. Me not spend my money for him stay down there for go fuck out girl and take me for blood clot either to not fool. Or not think me one whole sad fool. It is like this, my dear. Me not cry. So when me in my head, me I say, that's why me not buy no blood clot. Let me tell you something, yeah? Me telling you something. You see, man, no matter what you do, you can't please them. So you do what you have to do. Anyway, so when I go and you know, from him wake up him now, get ready, him now pack the something, him now do nothing, him logger. Me I watch him now pay him no blood clot, man, because me have things to do. You come to England 6 months and you go back to Jamaica 3 times out there. You know, appreciate it. You want more for do what? You have your work for come blood clot do. What not talk about? Wanna think young boy I got take blood clot me and style me. Me make, if me want him style me, me style him, me make him style me. But him can't blood clot style me. I don't feel like. I don't want to know people business get some water and drink. So me I said to myself when I see my screen at the airport, I said, do we really not easy, you know? Do we and a man really ask nothing? Do we so humble that him never want nothing? That you say, you want it? No, crazy, me no want it. Do you like that trend? I say, no, I no want nothing. So me I say, okay. If you want to stay back, you stay back. But me not blood clot stay back and me have my money in England for come do. When we buy the cigarette them and the something them, I mean him in a duty for him, say, I want rum for him, cousin. I say, me not buy no rum for your cousin. If your cousin want rum, him should have send him money. Me get up my money for do my business. Me not invest in your family when I rate blood clot. Me say my cousin I go give about the money, so I don't care. You said me nice and kind and fool. Me nice and kind and fool for me want do it. No blood clot body not take me for no fool. So when him say him want to rate rum for the cousin, I'm a seminar, him say him cousin I go give me back the money. Him take out back the rum and go put it back and say nobody buy it. Me never go buy no rum for your cousin when I want to buy, take my money buy rum for myself. You're not zero down my production and my hustle. No fucking rude. Find no own money and send come out of mine. So the liberty pan top of him a ball was stay a blood clot Jamaica for my expense. And my expense him call him cousin. So I buy rum for him cousin. So me not buy the rum, the man not chat to blood clot me for the next 10 blood clot. Oh, so him go up on the plane and say him face there. And me the son him now look him turn him face so. And for the whole plane ride me did there. A 1,000,001 thing. That disconnect blood clot that. 1,000,001 thing are running on my brains. You hear that? Me I say. This don't make no sense. Do we never ever plan for go to Jamaica? We go to Jamaica because our wedding in the first place. If do we never have a job, would have spent more than 2 weeks. You have your bleaching where people there wait for your cab come sell. Don't you tell me as a wife, you have to stand up for blood clot man and make man know what are their grounds. You have to take control and responsibility as a man. You have your bleaching cream where the people them there wait pan. You don't have a mother at Jamaica, you don't have a father at Jamaica. The one brother we have down there, your name not tight. So when you tell me you want to stay back, I know you have things to do and me have things to do. Me not pay no mind. If you have your money and want to funds it, brother, you stay down there and funds it. So the come when I come in at the plane now, this is what I get out of. I know the talk when not talk to blood clot me. So when the plane land, me say, since they can't strong for 10 hours and not chat to me, me I walk off of the plane, left him somewhere. Walk or left blood clot him, but me not left him in it. Because me and him live. So the walk come walk and collect my suitcase and him not see me. When him do blood clot see me now. No, when me do find him, I the phone him depend with him cousin. I tell him cousin, say my God left him and I set me up with him cousin. I saw my rush him right there. So for the blood clot, you call your cousin. Wait there 1 minute. Yeah. I saw my wrap up and say, oh, the blood clot you call your cousin. When I'm here, you live, I'm here, your wife and husband. I'm here for call. I that them video. But you know what, I'm glad? And I made it video and put it on internet. I only because I'm famous and I'm a celebrity. So I don't know the story I go sell. I'm glad I only video it. Because when I come home in a silent and nobody on blood clot, no. But as I said, no shame to begin. So when I see the man act up, I say, you're ungrateful. And let me tell you why you're ungrateful. As a young youth, we have a big woman like me and a top woman. You could have taken control of a whole heap of things. But you sit back and allow me to do it. And I respect that. You make me be the woman I want. But as a man, whether he's a blood clot boy or not, he's a husband, if you used to stand your post, you never plan to stay at Jamaica. When I come to Jamaica and take me, I not take you for no riches. You don't mind me. I take you out of love and the love of me and you share. So I share back with you. Now is the time for you come and work and put back in. You tell me you want to spend more time on my expense or the blood clot and I take my far. With my grey blood clot pussy. Me and a dry ride. You hear that? So when... Listen man, everything take time. So when I see the man I screw right now, I have some video in at the airport when we are going to check and out, do we screw and I give a beer attitude. And I say this big blood clot holiday where we go up and you know appreciate it. You know how much people they are foreign for years and never go back. And you're there for 6 blood clot man and travel 3 times. You go down January, you go down March, or you go down June. Are you not satisfied? And you know boy we asking nothing. Do not asking nothing, you know. That me can't tell them. So if me have a husband who scrape and watch my money and taking charge and me think, do we not taking charge and nothing, do we just stay there as a humble soldier? So what go wrong? Day 13 why you nobody want to stay? When me and you done plan so we're going to spend 2 weeks to come back for go Canada. for come back for do the next show. Remember 9 days left. Yeah, 9 life me have. So 9 days from the day we travel. What time you are going to spend at Jamaica for come back for waste money for take ticket? The next 5 days? We're not rich like that. We have rich spirit. So when me calculate it, I say, but my husband don't make no sense. I wonder if a girl him have a Jamaica will fly in him head. I said, do it. I said, do it. Do it, do it. The amount of girl we do have. Girl and me and do it. Me and do it problem and a girl problem. You know, every relationship have man and woman and mate and me and doing have them problem then. Me see I say so much girl message him and show me and who say them want him and me not deserve him. Me say every blood clot thing where me cafe. That's another problem. Listen what me I say to you. So me say do it. Your wife and you becomes one. So now me and you becomes one. We work together and stick together. If me and you go for 2 weeks, where Anna implant the holiday and me get a wedding booking while we go to Jamaica, listen to me, you know. If I do it alone, do it in there Jamaica, you know. Do it, say I'm not ready for go back to Jamaica, you know. So I'm confused. If you see I get a 2 weeks holiday and all of a sudden you fall out, say, you know what, you want more, but that's not like you. So I'm not pay him no mind. But when I see him vexed blood clot me now, it burn me. So my heart in there boil up me in the blood clot something. Look on the simple thing when me and do you argue for. That make blood clot sense when me and him match up. That don't make no sense. So it's either you never want the marriage, which me know you want the marriage because you're married to me. You never married to me because you know you come and go. You're married to me because you genuinely want to marry to me because we genuinely love each other. Alright. Me never know me capable of sending for do it. Me just want to marry him because I beg God for make me married from when. So the confusion of it, for see him come here so quick, even me myself shocked. Because I never know say me where I do have the pan benefit as another say. Could I send for my husband and my benefit me take and send for him. Alright, that's neither here nor there. So when me say do it, you have somebody where you're in love with, where you want to plan a life with. Maybe a girl where I go give a baby. I say, you know you reason with him and say no crazy. Me say, but that don't make no sense, me your wife and you are stay back. Oh, you accept me, I go think. Me I go think say you go have girl all over a fuck and I go run with an apple. It's truth, it's natural instinct. And so no one deny me of that. Me say, nobody got Jamaica want come back, but you gotta take it out from people. Every time I got all me never want come back, but you have to do what you have to do. Jamaica take money, and Jamaica now mind you. And you have to mind Jamaica. So anyway, me and him reason that backside and him say, no. But the plain thing is this, sir. You can't have a woman and not communicate with them. You're married to them and sit down and when any problem in that. That is do a problem. So when me there I pleach now and parting battle wall now and take my tongue and lick it and I beg the man and I say, do it. Me you not have no problem. Them mind a problem upon the bigger picture of how we go through and what we achieve in our life and how far we reach and I preach and the man not answer me. I put him in a car and me and him drive out. I would drive out. This is how we come with Friday. You know. So when we drive out now and come up, I said to him, say, do it. This is getting beyond the joke, him say. Him want a break. So you want a break, him say yes. What the reason? Him not have no reason, him just want a break. I say, alright, take the blood clot break. Then after my mad head take me, say, you not get no blood clot break. How you for married to me? How far better or for worse, thick and thin and you progress in a life. And you now build yourself for buy me the Jeep or you for buy me. I that me I wait for them, I don't want to do it by mind me. I want to do it working money. And when the time come and buy me a nice Jeep, I that me tell him from before him reach England. So now when I see you are idle, itch up with friend and idleness, I gotta put my foot down. Now tell blood clot me is a hard working old man. All when me tired and the people them book me, all when me jet lag me in their work. And this man go for holiday for my blood clot back. Put it away there. Are you still not satisfied? It make this big public disgrace. And through you see the video at the airport, you gotta tell me about you want break. You never blood clot no when you run left the suitcase them. When me come and say the blood clot you call people. Before you call me, I mean you live. Yes, I'm a blood clot son. May I fuck my son, may I incense. Yes, I'm a son, I'm a fuck him. What's your problem? Me still there, yeah, chat. So, with all fairness now, you not hear the next part of blood clot it. So when me rush him right there, so the video when I see, you know, and the me see him run off. Me say, do it! Cause me catch myself now, I say, Gatwick Airport, eye surveillance. I say, do it. Come baby, no make this get out of hand. Me start beg him now, you know. When me look the man and walk like a madman, like me have a gun and run him down, or like me I go kill him. At them impression, they like when they put the big dirty white plaster upon him forehead. I look attention. Not the blood clot. Yeah, man, you grow rough and tough with your dirty blood clot. Growing at Jamaica upon the tough asphalt. That's how we grow. So the little rush when me soon I create excitement like when I don't want him to beat me. Me respect him walk way. Because if him the blood clot beat me to that be a next levels. Because he could have. So me respect him walk way. Me respect him give me the upper hand as a wife. In the public. Me a human. Me not live for public. Me not live for private. Me live for me. Me live for the moment. Not for impress on officer. One big blood clot pitney. Big child. So when me see him walking now, I realize that the disgrace I got man see the work. Remember Jamaica planes so a whole heap of people out there now. So me I say blood clot. Somebody I got video with. So me left the 4 suitcase them now on the back of the room, them everything unprotected. Run down, do we know a call, do we run from me? Oh, you live with a woman and wind up in her blood clot pussy all the while and I run from me in a public. Attention, you look and make it look like me I do you something. So I run left the suitcase, and I running down and grab him and said, do we come take the suitcase and me alone can't manage 4 suitcases? What kind of man that? Me glad him left me. Me glad him the blood clot one. Because me will clear my head and do me. And it's the truth. It's doing a lot of baggage. Doing a helpful. So you not thinking of your blood clot head say. Me can't carry the 10 suitcase and you have to go help me with the 4 suitcase. So I left the suitcase and I run him down. I run him down now and grab him in the car and I said, do we come catch a suitcase? The man say, "Hi, stop it one tall white man." I'ma start laugh. Run, go back down to the suitcase. It make him look like a blood clot clown for true. Yeah? So I run, go back with the 2 suitcase. For the suitcase, I say, "Well, white man." I say, "Sir, I've got a family situation. Please, if you can watch him," and the man say yes. So I left them to him. When me left the man for watch a suitcase, I walk around 2 minutes up to where do we walk, God left me. Like you're a married man, you're not standing in control of your relationship. I say, girl, shut up your blood clot mouth or something. You have me there, they are going and run you down and chase you. You said me reach? I 8 police, me say. You know them police, they're high security police. So when the police them come to me now, I ask me, I explain to them to them, say, my husband never want to come home and I think that's unfair for him to put that against me, Ray, blah, blah, because we never planned to send over the time money done so we come home back, Ray, you know. Remember I airport this, you know. Beer people have video, Ray, blah, blah. All right. So the police them have me a question me now, I tell me, say, a domestic and them are gonna make we go separate ways. I said that, remember me full of chat and me na blood clot take it back and me na illegal and me know if to talk to police. Me said to the police, I said, you lot don't make any sense. We're husband and wife, we travel together and we live together. For you to separate us now, it's gotta be more distress. Them have do run a one corner around this and me run a one corner. Remember me not get arrested in so me a chat out blood clot car me can't talk. Me says my husband. Uno can't tell me how me and my husband for live and there's no abusive offense. We just have a disagreement and I'm loud and because I'm loud it causes attention because he's not submit to what he's to do with his wife. The police say me for calm down. Me say I am calm. I am just loud. Me say I'm a strong, loud black woman and me nah make nobody make me tone down my voice. The man say me gonna arrest me. Me say lock up my blood clot. A long time me not go to jail. Me need a blood clot to lock up. You hear that? Stop lick the man. Move on a blood clot. How much time the man lick blood clot me? Come suck up my bleeding corruption. No, tell mama for blood clot though. You hear that? So when the police said that now and me and them start have a go now, I said to him, when I was getting married, the pastor said, my husband must always have me on his left and use his right to protect me. And right now, I need my husband for protect me and guideline me. Me nah logo with them the suitcase by myself. The man say, if you don't stop, I'm going to arrest him. I say, arrest me! Because I'm not murder, no blood clot body. And when the woman put on the handcuff for me, and she put on the handcuff for me, I just stood there and laugh. I saw a little woman and she said, Queenie, I said, not a thing to do with my hot girl. I can't face it and I can't deal with it. By this time, have him in our next car now, look Uber. Make him carry the 8 suitcase, the 4 suitcase, my man. Oh, no burden blood clot me with no blood clot suitcase. Because my husband go for holiday. I defend my blood clot husband regardless we have a disagreement. So them send him female, carry me at the police station and said to me, they gotta de-arrest me. You're never too old for learn. More dirty, make dirty mouth stay. Mouth have to dirty sometimes. You can't clean up all around. But thanks. So when the police said him I got de-arrest me, the man said to me, explain to me, man said, by the right, the pastor did say, by the way, the pastor did say you're to keep your wife on the left and protect her with your right. Your husband's supposed to stand by you. You're right. So them I got de-arrest me because when me there are gastric, I make the whole heap of knives, them arrest me because of the knives. Now me drive out of the area, I'm not disturb nobody. So that's how the DRS go. Take the train, I'm going to come attack now. Come attack my husband reach. Sit down in the chair with all the suitcase of dog stairs. Alright, me no know it's a video going. So in the night now, I have a bookings. Me and him got the booking. Also, me I gonna know it's a video, people video me, even though I did think it. Listen, whether you're married or a blood clot, not for you have a partner problem. But the good thing is I'm married, so I have title. That's just the difference. You have fuck with title. But I see them difference, whether you're married or a blood clot, not when you argue, all when you say you have members say you're married, it not count. People just ignorant and dark. Likewise myself. Where are you, man? So when you sit down and say you put on a pad pan me and do it. Nobody can put on a pad pan nobody relationship, darling. 7 brothers, 7 different minds, 7 different moods, 7 different days make a week. So today you're nice, and tomorrow can be even your cousin cause eruption. Shit happens. Nobody life not perfect. So me soon as over there bash me, I just laugh, because them they make me stronger. You understand? All I know where I type right now, someone will kidnap you and take all of the money and hold on all blood clot acid on our own house enemy. When I prison on our own house. I whole heap of things we woman got through. But I don't have the guts and the stability to talk out loud. But me talk. It's a lot of things I hold back as I say I take a lot of disrespect for my husband because of marriage. I'm a swallow them and I'm not telling you. So when me lash out now I have blood clot enough and I want me to be a fool and stand up for me boy, take me for fool on top and I tell me a young boy and him not want me and him fed up on me. So I have to stand up for myself. I have to stand up for myself. Me not have a husband who have a strong guts to stand up for me for say love conquer it all. Him is a fucking clown. He make what uno write and type say and put up say affect him marriage. And me affect him marriage. And me vex. And me did show him ungratefulness after we go up on holiday. You go up on this big holiday and then the end of it you just lick back everything. And me. To God be the glory, great things he has done. As I said, I respect my husband. He married me. I still love him. Me not force somebody to do with me. I want somebody to love me equal and be with me freely. I feel more burden for him in the house and happy. And when him look on the YouTube video, them him unhappy. When him talk to him, mother, the two of them ball and whatever, me a wicked. Go. Let me stay with my wicked cantankerous self. You never take the good time in terms. When you never take when I was. Do we must left him? Don't left me already, no late. Listen. Me not take up that pan terms to say, oh, I lose. No, I don't lose. Me don't lose. Me still a winner. You understand? Me's a positive woman, you know. I can't stand losing. When I take losing, I know how to deal with it. Simple stupidness. Ziggy supposed to laugh. Ziggy can't laugh after blood clot, my baby. Me tell you why. Me married. Ziggy never married to blood clot me. Ziggy can't laugh after me. The married when I married, me have 1 pound blood clot Ziggy, because a man still take me for married to me. So whether fake or him did mean it, I married and I did honor my marriage. 1 year and 4 months. Ziggy can't laugh after me. No laugh not upon blood clot me. I set Ziggy in a life. I make him can be a man and make money. Ziggy can't laugh after me. Ziggy have to respect me. Ziggy tell me, him say me know say you have good potential and you gonna reach far in a life. Yeah, him tell me. So I shit in a chat. Ziggy can't laugh. I don't want to laugh after me. So I don't say I'm grateful to get laughed in. You know what it take for somebody to make somebody can laugh? I great, my great. So don't try abuse me on top of my marriage. We're going upside it down. Me not gonna have it because I have life. And me not gonna make her abuse me. Disrespect me. Me positive towards that happen. Me so conscious. You hear that? Leave my husband alone. Me still not gonna make her discriminate my husband. Make me vent. You know I'm a royal crazy for my vent. No for no pass on a place with me or pass on a place with do it either. Because he's still my husband. Him still give me that honor. And for him tell me him can't bother with me, still have to respect him because me's a lot. Me's a fucking lot. I feel not strong. You can't deal with Queenie. So I'm me did tell him now, I said, do it. You can't manage me come full and terrible and I take blood clot foolishness, you know. Me not lie, me never expect do it for give up so quick. Me not but me know do it. Do it can't take problem. My head hurt me in here one time and do a massage. My head. I mean, I pick up from my husband. No blood clot body can't violate him either, you know. And that may I tell some dirty blood clot man to, you know. Me get a cup of water. Me make sure I tell you this. You see, no for no cheesy blood clot, cocky man. Uno can't walk in and do a blood clot shoes. I'm going to tell you why I can't walk in and do shoes. Do we give me that honor for be a wife? So none of blood clot you no can't disrespect my husband. See me. All if you don't want me, a million blood clot time I no can't disrespect me. Disrespect him. You hear that? Me still respect him. I'm still honor him. And me tell him whatever decision you make, I will respect it. So don't pass on a blood clot place with my husband. Because you don't have no own a blood clot life where I spoil. You hear that? You don't have no life. Ready? The bus side now go normal. Ready? The 20 pound ticket them done. It's 25 pound for ticket per keep a bus rider. 25 and 30. Do not sell no more 20 pound ticket. Yeah. No blood clot body can this my husband and I respond it. All if you come out of my mama pussy. No can disrespect the way. Make me vent and talk and my husband. And me, so you think no could have do him that at airport? You think when me do him at airport, no could have do it? Me get to call me I'm wife. So I'm allow that. You hear that? Eski what? Me not make them say nothing about him. What happened, son? You the power, baby? Oh, yeah, the tutoring. Sorry, son. Don't mind your mama crazy like. Sorry, baby, go on with it, yeah? Forgot today I do it. I not even remember I said today is Sunday. Crafty. Do we still not care? Do we never care from the blood clot one? That's do we. Me care. There's a difference. Me not in control of do it. Me, yeah. Whether me defend him, yes, I'm not defend him for him care about me. Me I defend him because of my equal right and justice. It's my liberty. For think on enough for passing a place with my husband, regardless of what. All of them dirty blood clot, man, we think on can't violate, do we? All when me I'm doing a blood clot, them a war on a nasty blood clot back for my husband. No on the levels. I know far enough for going to people's life. Not because I see people life messy. I don't feel like I can come get it lessy. I don't know less of my life. You hear that? So I stand up for myself and I pop down marriage. Because I still respect my marriage. What I say to me? I'm a fool bad. I know I'm a fool. And that what keep me strong. If I never so crazy. Right now, with our balls to some mosquito. It's alright. Listen, I'm telling you something. I'm not found a beat to no man at airport, but no fuck like blood clot that. Make me on a reason. Me they are Jamaica and two married blood clot woman they are Jamaica with two man a fuck out them pussy and them a tell me say me not put my camera upon them. Me not fuck pa my husband, me respect my husband. So now come tell me say because me met nice at airport me not respect my husband. Move on a blood clot because me famous and me a celebrity wine of video. Me enough people cuss at airport. Me another first, but because me is the blood clot topic. Why it the internet? Me respect my blood clot husband. Me not bring no blood clot disrespect to him. Me been defense him because me a defense full of hog. Me the old hooligan. Ready what? Ready? Do not sell any more ticket for £20. We have the bus ride for make money. Everybody bus ride is £25 and £30. Me not sell no more £20 ticket, baby. £25. Anybody has some this at £25 for the ticket, them darling dear. Sorry for say it on the live, my head can. Me not care about blood clot, nothing, because my son side single chick. Blood clot. Oh, then I'm going to lock up later and ball. Oh, God, I miss my husband already. Man, same gun, my love. Bumbo clot. Woo! Ooh, ooh, Queenie. Me think one only pass something come off of my head more. Like, I can't just do any blood clot thing I want to know. I not have to feel guilty. And I still not going to do anything because I don't want a blood clot, man, you know. But I know God have a plan for me. I go find back love. I'm telling you something, when I did not dash, you know. When that man they left blood clot me and tell me he never want me. No, never tell me he never want me. Say him never happy. Dream me never happy, none at all for the 5 years. You know that rip me apart. I'm stay single for 1 year. One blood clot year. And so my husband come in a picture. Me just accept him right away. Me just say, this man is chosen for me. Whether it be for life or whatever, but he was chosen. Me never give him no bachelor off of my past relationship. Me just go straight and give him the full. So you see now I'm proud. I fight for my relationship. I diss up in blood clad family. Diss him. To make them to say on a dolly house my blood clad play. You hear that? So when me do that, in the back of my head, me know say it going to come to some crumbling. Is either for better or for blood clot worse, or that we're married for. So it's when you can stand up in a way you're in, and stand up like I'm stand up at airport. Me and your wife, and me and you live, and me and you go for a holiday. Right now, if me and him not grab my head and hurt me, him me a turn to. Right now, as me attack, if something happen, him me a blood clot turn to all when him no want me. Because you're my husband. That's the pledge. So when me sit down here, so now, I gotta say, oh, I fail. No, I don't fail. Not no last forever. I never want my daughter dead. She's still dead. I never want to do it for throwing him back. Me want him for try. Cause me and him nice together, you know. But do we need to get some balls? That is doing it. Maybe him feel like, say, well, if him contested me, it's gonna be too much. But you need to put your ball in. No poor do we? Do we know where I do? Yeah, him left. So no see me do the video. Do we know what he's doing? Do we think Jesus take one day and make him world and think the grass looks great up on the other side? Last time when me in here and attack and I said to him, my friend say, reality I got trippy. You have no reality no trick me. Fuck that. I said, don't mind you. I say bigger dancer you keep and me not move to it. Reality take all of us. And see, you gonna tell me reality now, go take it. Gotta fucking take you do it. You dash for your marriage, fee. Because you did want to stay at Jamaica. Because basically that we are argue over. You wanted to stay. But we have plans to go to Canada in 9 days. So you know make no sense. You know meet me halfway. You know stand by me to the deal where we make. Oh, me you put in blood clot camera application and forgot to show Canada. Me you have a show England. And me and him everything because me and him are one. So don't tell me say I me them book and that him. It's both of us. But me no pressure do because it's hard for you to force somebody to be what them not. So from the booking that if him want I carry more and I can him today. I mean him a blood me a charge for me and him. Cost will come as one. The girl them clit stand up when them to do it. No for blood clot uno have a lot to do with this. But me not blame uno. I blame my husband coming and married to uno. No fun when I dare I tell him it get to him head. Oh, me love you. Me want get one baby. Queenie too old to you. That get to him head. Be a girl. Girl pitney. But them go want him because them see me with him. When them get him and forgot through the process of when me got through and sister this man is stubborn as a blood clot donkey. Him not communicate. If you talk to him for 10 hours, you might get one word you not get to. Him disconnect but him say connect. Me bumbo. You understand? But in the same instance, me not allow no man to come and say no threat to my husband. Me not put up with blood clot that cause my husband was married to me. And no could a blood clot stand up to me the way him stand up to me. Him stand up for me. So if him train him back now and say him can't do no more, me not agree with no for disrespect him. And that's the God Almighty truth. Right now, me rip apart from left to blood clot, right? But me I keep positive. You hear that? Me rip apart. Look how me say me not cry. You see it? Nobody know what's the next mood. You don't plan it. Not even a hug doing I want from me. So what? My kids will hug me, my grandkids will hug me, I hug myself. Do we hug now the blood clot nothing to me? Do we hug and him not have no blood clot remorse or if try with me? Nah, help me. I want him hug me when I think there was hopes in the relationship. So you can't show that for me doing I want not even hug. I don't give a fuck who him no blood clot want. What worse than the marriage him no want? The hug can't be worse. So I just want to be petty for annoy me. But I'm already annoyed. The only reason why I'm there here is just for the shower support. You hear that? A tunnel of support. And the support is for me to listen just to depend on the life. But no can't advise me. And any blood clot body say anything about my husband, I diss them. I diss up on a blood clot. Still approach my husband with caution. Me no like do it. Me no weak. Me strong and terrible and mighty and awful. And that's why blood clot do it come look me because I'm a pussy when me send out. Double tap. It turn me an artist. I stand up for me. After me say me not cry. I saw me stay. Me get emotional. Yeah. So I sit down on a plan for people. But everybody have obstacles in them life. It's just the things them where you not constantly doing, madam. She me blame. As she lodges, as she fix the marriage. Well, that's my belief. But to God be the glory, great things he has done. That's why I'm a diss up them blood clot. You never hear me say me not sorry for what I do. But I will apologize out of respect. Words. Real words. Real woman. From my heart. Me not sorry. Them deserve it. Them when doing a talk to me and doing nice. Do we get paid? She call, do we ask, do we how much him give me and if him give me money? You in a man life too much. So me no must stand up for blood clot me. What the fuck gonna feel like? Total package what happen? Be responsible for your action. Are you come married to me? Me shock when you tell me you are married to me. Me never prepare for marriage. When your blood clot, prepare for marriage. In the no time. Remember when my son said to me, say it's too soon. And I said, tomorrow's no guarantee, Escada. My dad with your father 22 years and him never married to me. So see if a man come and him married to me, I take my chance. Well, my chance come and it done. Me not feel like I for drop in at the ground and scream and bawl. I feel like I for accept it and move on. I need a man for mind me now. My mind too much blood clot man and them trip back in my face. I need a man for help me. You see like come with a sleep. Share with a man. As some want a man share with me. Me not lucky them way that for me know myself. I always have to work and look my own. But the support I get from my husband, it was huge. So it's a balance. You understand? Do is a nice loving youth. But him hard forget to, communicate. Him lacking our hole. Him scared before me come in him life. So you see me we come now with all of them skeleton that we him have. I try show him all these love we him not used to and I put him on pedestal. It's a lot for him. It's not just easy for him adapt to. You see I want to rub it down every minute. Come loving and nice, So me and that about me a bully. When me a blood clot bully, me a bad girl, me a queen. What the fuck me a wife? So me fi have my husband and make him deteriorate himself. Him have a son with him a ball for every day. So him can't see me with him up on the train and him see the little you them and him ball. So him can't get to talk to him son. And me for make him there a farm full of himself there Jamaica argue with blood clot people while them want money from him down there where him not have. Him can't even walk with peace. Me have to say, tell them say, you're there in England go 6 months and if your wife sponsor you, you need no position for help no blood clot body. You have a son America. He might go want trainers. He might go want tablet. He might go want things from daddy. Me, for work so hard, help you for come here. I make you there Jamaica eyeglass farm full of your blood clot self. So go have girl in my blood clot ride and take me for fool down there. Una go come tell me a bully. Me supposed to be a blood clot bully. When man pull them blood clot weight and can stand up on them blood clot 1-2 foot. They make them own decision. Don't sit there and wait for me to make decision for you stay at Jamaica. You have shit for do. You have light for punch in your house. You have gas for punch. You have car for put petrol in a petrol race. What you was gonna live on. So when you not come blood clot talk, me have all right for stand up for me. No, you can't stand up for me, As me telling you can support me. You can give me a tower of support. But you can't stand up for me. Me have to stand up for myself. Me know what me in. Me know when me I lift 10 bucks. Me I lift 20 bucks. And when me don't lift that 20 bucks, me have to go get me ear fixed. If me ear not fixed, me go with it same way. Come on, represent for somebody. Yes, when me come Friday, my head look like picky blood clot foul head. Me don't know what to do with my head myself. Me confused. And me not disappoint the people them. Last night my brother said, sis, you see because you're so strong. You're so awful and vulgar and loud. 100 people will stand up and say you're John. And nobody don't know say you're John for savior. Me say, Jerry, the best argument that, blood clot like me a John. Like me a John. And God have me a keep me. Because me not come complain about marriage, but you know why? Marriage have ups and downs. Ask Yvette. Me and do don't even have a pinch of argument at Jamaica. Are the best 2 weeks. One of the best 2 blood clot weeks. So how all of a sudden it just change? I don't know, girl. Me can't be wrong. Me ain't doing have girl problem, me tell you no. Me can't be wrong. Me don't know if somebody I try to turn them mind, because they love what behind them. Them love blood clot what behind them. Them love iniquity. But no Obi can't take me because me too awful. Me too alert. Me too terrible. But you see him, this don't make no sense. It's coming like them fix him wedding. I don't mean them fix him. Which rightful youth or progressive want something in a life? Just get up and give up, sir. Me no fuck pa you, you no fuck pa me. We go pa holiday. We live good. And then all of a sudden, because you saying already, I say yes, me go try miss the flight. That don't make no sense to me. I said, do it. The devil take over you. I hold him right up on the bed. I'm hug him in him ears. And I say, babes, remember when we are married, we vows for better or for worse. This nasty. You know the in-depth of me. Put away the internet. You know the good part of me and me know the good part of you. This can't started. And the man stiff up on him. No want me touch him, man. Me nah give up. Because I'm a fighter. I'm in him ears. Still not satisfied. I said, do it. Me I go take a drive out. I will go drive out. Driver will talk. And him say, this enough for me, you know. Whatever is this, ignorant and dark. You can't marry to a big man, one top girl, one celebrity girl, one famous girl, one all-purpose girl. We go through so much. And you know, pull your weight. So you see, when him going to him shell and him not talk, it left me if you just go on and on. I said, do it? No, I'm say, me no want, this enough for me, you know. But remember, the first video where you send me when you did a message me when you look me, you send me Shibado video when me a cuss Shibado. You say, I saw you want me go out when you're there by your cocky. So you know the turbo bitch where you take up from day one, in it. Anyway, so in the car now him say, this enough for me, you know. Me no want this. Me say, what is this? Him say, this enough for me. Me want a break. So I turn back around the car and say, all right, you want a break? So you got to take your thing them and take a break. Then him says, I say, all right, then I'm not force you. So I let him off of the house and still get out of the car and wait for him to come out with his top them. And my blood clot mother take me. And I just come back and I say, you know blood clot walk out for me. Are you did married to me? We are going to have problem and we not have no big problem. A pitney problem and petty thing this. What the fuck is it, a break? A break is when you have disturbance in your relationship, you breed somebody else and all kind of shit. I may not have no problem. A minor blood clot this. But I'm being have up my same way from across the family. Me not care. You think me that go them yard at Jamaica? Me with my pride? I don't think my blood clot scavenger. Me a independent woman. Me have my money for live how I want to live. So me never ever go do yard for doing mother's blood clot brother poison me. I don't go to the house. You understand? But that's neither here nor there. So when them say I want a break, me I say, want a break. Maybe him see the video long time and not tell me. Because maybe I'm a little silent dagger right now. Him not tell me. But the moral of the story, my husband don't want to compete with me. Him don't want to stand up by me. Maybe him respect me too much. I'm afraid of me or I'm too aggish. But him is a blood clot. Aggish never hear do him out to know that. Never know the same like come and I beg for. Do it louder than me. You hear what do we say to me at the airport? Nobody no hear. Why not take my freak out and push him? And the way the man attack blood clot me and what him said to me. And none of blood clot you not hear that. When me God say, what the blood clot you out here call people for before you call me? His response that he gave me. That's not a wife attack. A public in attack to me. So too wrong to make a blood clot right. Move your blood clot. I don't have to explain nothing to you, but I like explain me a bad girl. I speak for a lot of women, a lot of blood clot and I speak for. What him say? I remember when blood clot say, I tap my back and I get back evil with me, but it's the way him speak to me. Dark shit like one hag. Like one drunk or draw breaks. If me telling a word for word where him say, me go lie in it in the heat of the moment. So when me go with my awful bully self, and so with the blood clot, remember him cousin I talk to, I chat me with him cousin, you know. I chat me with him cousin, you know, before him secure me, you know. So when me said to him, say the blood clot, you out here call your cousin before you call me, him shoot me back. Him attack me back. So too wrong to make a right a public that. Him never talk to me like a wife. Him talk to me like a shit pit. Do we have a aga shit out? Do we awful more than me? Do we mama awful? The whole of blood clot we awful, but you no blood clot body and nobody no no. You don't have no content. So nobody now putting up. But because me a blood clot, somebody not for put me up. Do we disrespect me right blood clot this up? When me go, they go diss him then. And this blood clot this. You know not hear. Zoom in the camera and listen what him said to me if you don't want to hear, because me now work my brain. Me have too much by my head. He diss me right there. That's why I rush him. And the rush him to him no want lick me in the public. Him walk with. When me see my walking now, at that time I say, blood clot things get out and him gone left the suitcase. And me alone can't manage the suitcase. So I start kissing ass now. So the kiss, I start kissing blood clot ass now. Yeah? The kiss, I start kissing ass now. Say, do it, don't make this get out of hand, baby. Come and take up the suitcase and go home. Please do it. I saw me I run him down now. Because I left the suitcase unprotected. Do we need blood clot help? Me no need no help. Me assertive. Me's a preacher, me's a counselor. I treat her to this man. One man call me for advice and counsel when me have my own problem. Do we shut down? Do we not communicate? Do we have a baby mother? I'm not fight for the baby mother. Do we not fight for him own son? From the baby mother say, you know, get back your son. You know, see your son because of Queenie. Him just stay in him shell. Him not call the baby mother mother. Him not call her sister. Him not call her cousin. Just left it at the same thing him do me. He's not determined. So when me say the big disgrace I do it, when me and him create, I know me alone create it. Yeah, man. How the fuck you know so when you not talk to me for 10 hours, it a got trigger me off. So you want the disgrace. So another year come chew me down. No, chew down. No, for chew down me and no, for chew down my husband. Just learn from this. Because we're all human. Use me as a prime example. What? And me make do it angry. And me angry at. And me at Jamaica. Do we not vex because me gone left him? Me stand by my husband. And me a when my daughter dead, and do we get the visa? Me say God replace do we for support me. But I do it hide from me and sham from me. And chatting with people saying shame on me I'm all. You hear that? With them blood clot family, them say I'm married to an old blood clot fool. Yeah. So that's why I'm so rebellious. Because you know what you did that going on. I never put in it and call in it. Now when she take the blood clot fan, you want back out and leave me alone. I'm stay silent. I'm not stay silent. I am going to advise my